Tony, what we going in here to get?
I'm not getting it. I'm looking.
Oh, we're lookers? Window shopping. They have blue on the inside of it too.
Yeah.
Ooh, I wonder what the blue does.
That's not it.
It looked like the one you showed me.
It looks like it.
It didn't have that price though.
Yeah, that's because you can talk to that damn thing.
Oh. They got that warming center burner. Looks like it's missing something. The part that sits on the top of there.
Nope. That's not blue.
Stainless steel.
Ours is kind of has a stainless steel front, and yeah, the rest of the plants.
Ready?
Next washer I'm gonna get is a top loader.
A top loader?
Yeah.
Ew, put your dirty drawers in there.
Get a top loader. Front loader is a pain.
I'm just getting this for my YouTube channel. Calm down.
I'm probably gonna say, "Ooh, you took a picture of what you need to replace that other ugly pot you got." The one you need to throw away.
Come on, let's go. So I don't know if y'all can tell by these thighs, but I need to start eating at home. Okay. But Tony was insisting on going out to get him some barbecue, so that's where we headed.
Veterans Park. Shit, I could have parked right there. We could have parked right there, Veterans.
Wow, that's nice. Got the little outdoor thing. So guys, I was trying to do these YouTube tricks and stuff, and I was coming out to get my phone, and I ran into somebody that I knew. I'm sorry. Hey, how you doing? Well, how are you?
Good.
Oh, give me a hug, pumpkin. Oh, is this where you at?
I'm the GM here, yeah.
You're the GM here? Well, this is my first time eating. So that was a sincere meet and greet because he was a really good manager. He was always working with me on my schedule. He was always, and he wasn't a good manager because he was accommodating to me, but he listened and he solved problems.
The heavyweight platter and make the two sides mac and cheese.
I had an idea.
So the burn-in dinner, what two sides with that one?
Cornbread and mac and cheese.
Okay, so it's for here to go.
To go.
$44 on some barbecue.
Huh?
On some barbecue.
Yeah.
So everybody knows that Kansas City, Kansas and Kansas City, Missouri is known for their barbecue. Okay, hands down. For the longest, it was Arthur Bryant's and it was Gates. That was like in the top two leading components. But now is Woodyard and it is Slaps. I'm intentionally not even going to try their barbecue here because I don't want my taste buds to be confused. I know what I already like. Okay, they brought it to the table. Don't forget your phone.
That's what you did.
All right. So as I was in the middle of telling Tony that it was taking the food a little long, the young man said it right in front of me. So I was like, oh, never mind. Y'all, this Kansas City weather, it is freezing. Hold on, I'm talking.
Talk.
Anyway, this Kansas City weather is so cold. Makes you want to go in the house and get under the blankets.